After years of waiting and countless rumors, the moment every off-road enthusiast has been waiting for is finally here. The 2025 Honda XR400R has officially been launched, and it's already creating a massive buzz in the dirt bike community. Known for its legendary reliability and raw power, the XR400R was a fan favorite for decades, and now it's making a powerful comeback with modern upgrades. This is US Bike Pro, and today we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 XR400R, from its design and performance to features, price, and why it might just dominate the off-road scene again. Design and styling. The first thing that grabs attention is the updated design. Honda has kept the iconic XR identity alive, with its muscular fuel tank, tall stance, and rugged dual sport silhouette. But this time, everything feels sharper, cleaner, and more aggressive. The fuel tank is redesigned with improved ergonomics for better control during long rides. The new LED headlight setup gives the front a more modern and adventure-ready look. The seat is slimmer but more comfortable, designed to reduce fatigue on long off-road rides. And of course, the classic red and white color scheme with bold XR branding brings back pure nostalgia, reminding us why the XR series became legendary in the first place. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 XR400R packs a 397 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled, four-stroke engine, tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth delivery. This isn't just about top speed, it's about real off-road power that pulls hard in any terrain. Honda engineers have worked to make the engine cleaner, more efficient, and even more reliable than before. It features updated fuel injection, optimized compression, and a new exhaust system that boosts performance while meeting modern emission standards. The power delivery remains linear, making the bike perfect for both new riders and experienced pros. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising through forest trails, the XR400R promises consistent, confident performance. One of the things riders loved most about the original XR400R was its bulletproof transmission and handling, and Honda has kept that DNA alive. The 2025 model comes with a 5-speed gearbox optimized for both off-road control and highway cruising. The clutch action is lighter, smoother, and more responsive, making it easier to shift gears even in technical terrain. The handling is refined with a lightweight chassis and an updated suspension setup. The front features a 43mm inverted fork with long travel, while the rear comes with a fully adjustable ProLink monoshock. This combination ensures excellent control on rough terrain, big jumps, or long-distance rides. When it comes to off-road riding, good brakes are not just important, they're essential. The XR400R is equipped with disc brakes on both ends, offering sharp and progressive stopping power. Honda has also added ABS with off-road mode, giving riders the ability to switch between full control and extra safety support depending on terrain. The tires are dual-purpose knobby tires that grip confidently on dirt, mud, gravel, and tarmac. Combined with improved ground clearance and a strong suspension setup, this bike is ready for serious adventure. While Honda kept the soul of the XR intact, they've added smart upgrades where it matters most. The digital instrument cluster displays speed, RPM, trip meter, and fuel information clearly. LED lighting improves visibility during night rides and uses less power. The bike also comes with a new electric starter, but for the purists, the kickstart option remains, giving it that classic XR feel. There's also a USB charging port for riders who use navigation or need to charge their devices during long rides. Long off-road rides can be tough, but the XR400R is built for endurance. The seat height has been balanced to offer better control for taller riders while still being accessible. The new handlebar design reduces vibration, while wider foot pegs offer more comfort and grip. The fuel tank capacity has been slightly increased, giving more range for adventure tours. With a lightweight frame and improved weight distribution, the XR400R feels nimble yet stable, no matter where the trail takes you. A competitive package. Honda is positioning the XR400R as a premium dual-sport motorcycle that balances power, reliability, and affordability. The expected starting price is competitive in its segment, aiming to attract both off-road purists and new adventure riders. Availability will begin in select global markets first, with more countries to follow shortly. Pre-bookings have already started in some regions, and demand is looking very strong. A true off-road icon is back. For many riders, the XR400R isn't just another motorcycle, it's a symbol of freedom, simplicity, and raw adventure. The return of this iconic machine in 2025 is more than a launch, it's a revival of an era. Honda has perfectly blended heritage with modern technology, making this bike a must-watch in the dual-sport category. Whether you want a reliable trail companion or a weekend adventure machine, the XR400R ticks all the right boxes. US Bike Pro. The 2025 Honda XR400R proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. This bike carries the soul of its predecessors while giving riders the comfort, performance, and safety of modern engineering. On US Bike Pro, we'll keep bringing you updates, comparisons, and real-world ride reviews of the XR400R and other adventure machines. If you love motorcycles, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next deep dive. Thanks for watching US Bike Pro. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep the adventure alive.